Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of Dragonscapes for iOS and Android. So yes, this fully works, unlimited resources come your way, but you need to make sure guys that you watch every part of my video. So go to zoomods.com, the site has a lot of modded apps, and type in Dragonscapes. And sure enough, you should see the Dragonscapes mod. There it is. So press on it and now the download will start. So let's just wait for it to download here. As you can see, downloads, there's one more step of verification, which I'm going to walk you guys through. It's very easy to do, but some people get scared and cry and they're like, oh, I can't handle verification, and then they buy stuff in the game probably. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this, so let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so as you can see, we are now facing the verification page, and it says please install 2 apps to automatically install the Dragonscapes mod. So as you can see, we got 4 apps here. Doesn't matter which one you do, just make sure you do 2 of them. And this is where people mess up. You need to read the instructions of the app. Richie says run for 5k coins. Alibaba, run for 30 seconds. Stop install with valid info. You gotta actually read the instructions. You cannot just download the app and expect to get the mod. So just press on the app. It'll bring you straight to the Play Store or App Store, depending on whether you're on iPhone or an Android. Complete the verification. It's only 2 apps. It's a one-time process. I mean, they got a chat bot here. You can ask for help. It is super easy, and you will get your Dragonscapes hack. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's just super insane, guys. As you can see, it fully works. So yeah, I'm not trying to think, but why would you play the normal game when you can install this modded version onto your device? So yeah, super crazy, guys. Totally working. Everyone's gonna be so mad at me because I'm making it so you don't have to buy stuff in the game. But yeah, this is super cool, the developers. Yeah, so just complete the verification, guys, and you will get the Dragonscapes mod installed onto your device. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super easy. Everyone's gonna be very excited about it, and I'm gonna see you guys later. So yeah, peace out, bro.